Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, there lived a young woman named Alara. She was known throughout the village for her extraordinary talent for singing, her voice carrying melodies that could soothe the soul and lift the spirit. But there was a unique aspect to Alara's gift. She had been born without the ability to speak. Despite her inability to utter a single word, Alara communicated through her songs. Her music told stories of love, courage, and hope, weaving emotions into the hearts of those who listened. Every evening, she would climb to the top of a hill overlooking the village and sing as the sun set, her voice drifting like a gentle breeze through the air. One day, a wounded bird found its way to Alara's doorstep. It had been attacked by a predator and could no longer sing. Alara took the bird in, nursing it back to health with tender care. Though the bird could no longer sing aloud, it communicated its gratitude through small gestures, fluttering its wings, chirping softly, and perching on Alara's shoulder whenever she sang. Word of Alara's kindness and the mysterious bird spread throughout the village. People from far and wide came to listen to her sing and witness the bond between Alara and the silent songbird. They marveled at how Alara's songs could convey emotions more deeply than any spoken words ever could. As time passed, the village faced challenges, harsh winters, scarce harvests, and conflicts among neighbors. Yet, whenever Alara sang, a sense of peace and unity enveloped the villagers. They began to understand that kindness and compassion could bridge even the deepest divides. One evening, during a particularly somber time, Alara climbed her hill as usual, carrying the bird on her shoulder. She sang with all her heart, pouring her hope and love into the melody. Tears welled in the eyes of those who listened, touched by the silent songbird's presence and the resilience it symbolized. From that day onward, the village adopted a new motto: actions speak louder than words. Inspired by Alara and her silent songbird, they resolved to show kindness and empathy in their actions, knowing that even the smallest gestures could make a difference. And so, the legend of Alara, the mute songbird, and their village lived on, a testament to the power of music, kindness, and the profound impact of actions that speak louder than words.